is up, Web3 crew? Chris Atsumans right here at the Museum of the Future for the HSC conference, and I'm with Mr. Jatin of Supra Labs. How are you today?
A little tired because of the token week, but again, not too tired to tell people about the amazing innovation that we have for Supra.
And how did you guys prepare for Token 2049 week?
I mean, of course, it took like months long of preparation. We have our awesome event manager, Jason, who planned a lot of events that we have sponsored, including this one, the Hack Seasons conference. And we sponsored Multi-Chain Day, the 1% Club. So, we planned everything. But again, we have the whole team here. Our co-founder, John, our VP of Ecosystem, Vinny, our BD, Aditi, Jason, and it's just like too much work, but it's worth it.
Can you please tell us a bit background before you come up with the Supra?
Of course. So Supra basically started as Supra Oracles. Supra offered Oracles and VRF services, and they have been, doing amazing wonders since years in the Web3 Oracle services. They are live on like some really major protocols and networks, and a lot of amazing projects have been using them. I knew them before they became an L1 because of the great branding of Supra Oracles, and then they decided to actually, kick it a little bit more now and just come up with the next best thing. So they now created this fully integrated layer 1 multi-VM blockchain, and that's a little bit background about how it all came to be the Supra L1 that we have now.
What does Supra do? What do you specialize in?
I could say Supra is one of its kind, not because nowadays you see there are like so many L1s in the market. Every day you wake up and there is a new EVM L1, right? So what Supra has, which is totally unique, is first of all, Supra started with its Move VM mainnet that made us the third Move chain out there after Aptos and Sui. Okay, and apart from it, Supra is not just another layer 1. We have created this very innovative new chain architecture of clans and tribes powered by Moonshot Consensus. We are a fully vertically integrated layer 1. That means in a single layer 1 blockchain, you not only have oracles, VRF, and our own like bridging everything inside, but you also have on-chain automation, which is definitely one of the best things that we have done that Web3 wanted for a long time, the AutoFi. And then we are multi-VM. So we have not stopped our innovation there. We launched our multi-VM architecture out there. We started with MoveVM, mainnet and testnet last year. We went live with TGE, and just this week we went live with our automation as well as the alpha testnet for EVM. So it's like an exciting week for us.
What makes Supra Labs stand out from all the competitors?
So I am a big fan of decentralization, right? I am a big fan of decentralization, and we have always wanted people to feel the freedom in the blockchain space that they needed. So Supra could have also been another layer 1, but they wanted it to be the two meaning of decentralization, the two meaning of choosing the ecosystem that you want to build in. That's how every developer gets started. They choose where they want to go. Are they want to be the Rust developer in Solana, or they want to be like a Solidity developer in Ethereum, or they want to join the Move ecosystem by learning Move. So for Supra, I think the best thing is it's a one-stop layer 1, which not only has this amazing innovation and tech, but also being the multi-VM layer 1, where it's not essentially stopping you no matter from where you are coming from. You can own the identity, you can own your comfort zone, like the most humanly factor. So if you are a Solidity developer, you're still welcome. You can deploy on Supra. If you're a Rust person, you can still deploy on Supra Solana EVM. If you're a Move guy, come on. Of course, our Move VM is live. Come deploy, build amazing dApps with automation. There is no reason to not build on Supra.
What can we expect for you guys this year?
So there are so many things that I'm super excited about, but after the automation went live, EVM testnet alpha went live, we will soon have our public testnet for EVM. We are constantly making sure that the automation is getting out. We are shipping more demos pretty soon. But I am personally excited for upcoming releases of automation as well as EVM and our own Supranova. So people will soon find out more about Supranova. I don't want to spoil it now, but it's going to be a great ecosystem, having all these movements coming together, being the iPhone movement of Web3.
Last question. What do you think is the future of money?
Future of money will definitely be the crypto space. We have seen how the whole money got liquidated from stock market and the money got into crypto, right? So the future of money is crypto, digital currency that you can carry everywhere, and blockchain is powering the narrative economy. So what else?
Thank you so much. And now describe this event in 3 words. Let's go.
Go build super apps on Supra.
Thank you so much, Jutin. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Chris Simmons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.